chemical and manufacturing entrepreneurs fall into the exact same deadly trap. They manufacture basic commodities. They buy generic raw inputs, mix them in a standard plant, and try to sell them based on price alone. But what happens next? A global competitor dumps cheaper chemicals into your market, raw material inputs spike, and your margins drop to zero overnight. In chemical commodities, you're always just one price war away from complete bankruptcy. How do you break this cycle and build a business that global innovators trust with critical technology, long-term contracts, and dependable manufacturing? PI Industries transformed from a traditional Indian mill with 14 crore rupees in revenue into a global company managing a $1.5 billion order book. This is the operational story behind that growth. This case shows how chemical manufacturers can escape commodity pricing through custom synthesis manufacturing, moving from generic blending to trusted, IP-secure global contract manufacturing. In 1946, a journey began in Udaipur, Rajasthan, with the founding of Miwa Oil and General Mills by P.P. Singhal. But a massive crisis was brewing across India's fields. P.P. Singhal saw that Indian farmers were losing crops to pests and diseases without access to reliable protection technologies. Driven to solve this, he sparked a massive pivot in 1961, shifting from edible oils to agricultural formulations, creating the foundation for what we know today as PI Industries. As the next generation took over, PI identified a global problem. Life sciences companies struggled to find trusted manufacturers that could scale complex molecules without risking their intellectual property. This shift culminated in 1991, when the company became PA Industries and moved from low-value bulk chemicals to pioneering custom synthesis and manufacturing in India. PI Industries' products and services include custom synthesis and manufacturing of complex chemical molecules for global life sciences companies, crop protection and biological solutions for farmers, and pharmaceutical research and manufacturing support. PI Industries grew from around 30 crore rupees in 1991 to 500 crore rupees by 2010, 3,366 crore rupees by 2020, and over 8,000 crore rupees today. It shows how an SMB can scale globally through technology, partnerships, and disciplined execution. Now let's explore the key problems PI Industries identified and the bold solutions that helped it grow from a local manufacturer into a global life sciences company. Problem number 1, the commodity price war trap. If any competitor can clone your chemical, your business has no pricing power. PI Industries solved this by operating strictly in specialized, high-entry barrier, custom synthesis segments, filing over 180 patents to ensure they became irreplaceable to their buyers. Problem number 2, volatile customer retention. When market demand drops, factory owners are left holding expensive, unsold inventory. PI Industries solved this by securing take-or-pay agreements from global buyers, ensuring manufacturing asset utilization and baseline profitability remain protected year-round. Problem number 3, tough global regulatory barriers. Exporting chemicals to highly regulated markets requires passing extreme safety audits. PI Industries did not wait to patch defects. It deployed distributed control systems across 15 fully automated multi-purpose plants spread over 5 locations to ensure zero-defect compliance that passes international inspections smoothly. Problem number 4, sector concentration risk. Relying entirely on local agricultural chemicals makes cash flow vulnerable to unpredictable monsoons. PI Industries leveraged its core chemical capability to execute a bold diversification strategy. By onboarding global leadership and launching PI Health Sciences, it translated advanced chemical mastery into the multi-billion-dollar global pharmaceutical contract research and manufacturing sector. Problem number 5. The absolute threat of intellectual property theft. In custom synthesis, global innovators fear sharing patented molecular blueprints because of data leaks or clone factories. To eliminate this trust barrier, PI Industries upgraded its physical and data infrastructure. It used siloed data security protocols, isolated molecule teams, zero data leak environments, employee confidentiality bonds, and 24/7 server monitoring. It treated data protection not as an IT rule, but as the core operating asset of the company. Problem number 6. Heavy operational resource waste. Chemical plants consume massive volumes of water, creating high utility overheads and regulatory risk. PI Industries invested in closed-loop water recycling, reducing freshwater use and earning a Gold EcoVadis rating. This cuts utility costs and lowers the risk of environmental shutdowns. Problem number 7. How do we build an export engine without spreading resources across too many markets? PI Industries focused on validating demand before expanding. PI Industries chose a concentrated alternative. Validate and refine the model in one territory first, the hyper-stringent Japanese market. Japanese customers demanded exceptional purity and flawless delivery. So PI spent over 2.5 years perfecting its first international batch. PI opened a Tokyo subsidiary to build local relationships, then expanded the proven model to Germany, Italy, and the United States. What is the ultimate strategic lesson for a manufacturing enterprise? Real scale belongs to those who refuse to take shortcuts on customer trust and process engineering. Reflecting on the strategic pivot away from low-margin commodity distribution, the former long-time leader of the company, Mr. Salil Singhal, explained the strategic choice. He'd seen the business operating as a distributor of agrichem products and knew that he'd have to deal with poor business economics. That was not a game he was interested in playing. Instead, he would work with global players and license their products, reorienting the company from a commodity play to one with a strong scientific backbone. This focus on science and strong execution became a key strength, guiding use of technology and human talent by PI Industry. As PI expanded into global pharmaceuticals, leadership defined its purpose: to lead with science, technology, and human ingenuity to create transformative solutions in life sciences. As we close, here are 6 practical takeaways from PI Industries for chemical and process manufacturing, SMBs. Escape low margins by moving beyond generic vendor work. Master core technology by building specialized process capabilities. Build technical strength through R&D and process engineering. Earn customer trust by protecting client data, formulas, and intellectual property. Expand with proof by validating quality before entering more markets. And build unique value through capabilities which customers cannot easily replace.